7 most beautiful snakes in the world. The spiny bush viper is small to medium-sized, inhabiting brushland and forests throughout tropical Africa. Their scientific name comes from the Greek words meaning hairy and tailed. But don't let its pretty face fool you. This snake is highly venomous, and like other vipers, has hypodermic needle-like fangs, which can deliver a dose of venom to which there is no anti-venom. Now, what makes their appearance unique is their broad triangular head and their extremely keeled dorsal scales. The scales are longest on their heads and necks and stick out from their bodies to give them a rough, bristly appearance, especially on their heads. You can find them in many colors, including green, blue, yellow, and red. This amazing species of viper are ambush predators and commonly strike their prey while hanging upside down from trees. Native to the Sonoran Desert, they can be found anywhere from Arizona to Sonora in Mexico. This beauty has a vibrant coloration with alternating red, black, and white bands. The black bands are wider towards the middle of its body, and the coloration closely resemble the warning coloration of coral snakes, which has one of the most potent venoms of any North American snake. This mimicry is an evolutionary adaptation known as Batesian mimicry, where a harmless species evolves to resemble a harmful one to deter predators. It is an opportunistic feeder and feeds on small mammals, birds, lizards, and other snakes. It even has a resistance to venom, allowing it to consume poisonous snakes. This is a stunning snake with a vibrant electric blue coloration with a red head, tail, and belly. Their amazing blue appearance is accompanied by a blue or white stripe down each flank. Native to Southeast Asia, these snakes have the largest venomous glands of any snake, which extend more than a quarter of its body length. They're known as the killer's killer, as they love to hunt other venomous snakes, such as young king cobras. Their venom contains a unique toxin called caliotoxin, which makes the nerves of their prey fire at once, instantly paralyzing it. This venom works in a similar way to cone shells. It might be deadly, but it's also a real thing of beauty. Common to Central and South America, the stunning Rainbow Boa is a medium-sized non-venomous snake. They're generally brown or red in color, have black stripes at the top of their head, and black rings on their backs, running nearly the full length of the snake. Now, what gives the Brazilian boa its amazing color is its iridescent skin, which refracts light, creating a rainbow-colored glow. What makes these snakes particularly special is that their appearance changes depending on the angle you look at them. Tiny ridges on their scales act like prisms, refracting light and creating this amazing rainbow-colored effect. It's no surprise that the rainbow boas are one of the most sought-after exotic snakes for pet trade because of their unique iridescent skin. If you think this snake looks good, well, you're in for an iridescent treat at number 1. The white-lipped python, also known as Dalbertese python, is a deceptively beautiful snake, which is why it's at number 3 on the list. It's non-venomous and native to New Guinea and some of the islands of eastern Indonesia. Deceptive, as the young usually have brown coloration with a black head, which don't appear to be anything particularly special until they mature, and their skin takes on this beautiful iridescence. This is caused by nanostructures in the scales, called iridophores, which contain microscopic layers that refract light bouncing between these layers. The dorsum of the head is shiny black, and the body color is either brownish violet fading to yellowish ventrally or blackish blue fading to gray. The end result is this vibrant contrast of colors, which makes this snake simply awesome to look at. The California red-sided garter snake is native to North America and is considered by many to be the most beautiful snake in the world. Their bright colors intensify as they mature and have some highly distinctive features, such as that distinctive red head and bright red tongue. Whilst they have mildly toxic saliva, they don't have an effective way to deliver it, so they're not really a threat to humans. They have this pattern of 3 stripes running down the length of their body, and a central stripe that can be anything from yellow yellow to a brilliant blue with black on both sides. Even their bellies can be anything from white to bright blue, making these snakes one of the most colorful snakes to look at. On our top spot is the rainbow reticulated python, which are hands down some of the most phenomenal creatures to look at. This is my love, a rainbow reticulated python living at the Reptile Zoo in Fountain Valley, California. This snake has the most amazing iridescent scales, unlike any other snake we've seen so far. This particular snake is exceedingly rare, and its iridescent beauty is simply next level. Now, this famous snake has two genes, the motley and the golden child, which combine to create a one-of-a-kind iridescent animal, unlike anything you've likely seen before. Endemic to Southeast Asia, these beautiful creatures aren't only the world's longest snakes, reaching up to 16 feet, but are also some of the heaviest to exist. Who said beauty only comes in small packages? Thanks for watching. If you did like these magnificent creatures, please be sure to like and subscribe and let us know which one you think deserves the title as world's most beautiful snake. Maybe your favorite wasn't even on our list.